Hello, dear experts. We would like to introduce our team to you. We live in the town of Bratsk, eastern Siberia, Russian Federation. The main attraction of our city is the Bratsk hydroelectric power station. It is called the Robotics. That's why we decided to name our station. We are united by the desire to watch the robotic and create we invited the people. Andrei, Alexei, and Evelina are developers of the robot solution. Angelica provides the information. Елизавета, a company for when planning to work on the project, identified the stations for implementation, has stated the construction principles of operation using hydroelectric power station. Learn about another hydroelectric power station. There are in second stage. We made an excursion to the Bratsk hydroelectric power station and Krasnoyarsk hydroelectric power station.
Decided to study the problems of hydroelectric power stations. In details and ask a specialist hydroelectric power stations. Timofey Noshmalanko co-helps us. We learned creating generators of the Bratsk hydroelectric power station, produce electricity, which is supplied to transformers and then transmitted to open switching gears with a voltage of 500 kilowatts and 420 kilowatts. All this equipment is located outdoors on operating basis and the same and so the distribution of electricity. The main is open switches disconnected transformers and isolators. The main task of maintenance of the control system is to ensure the specified operating models and reliability of this is especially representation of the contact connections and isolations.
There are various reasons for equipment malfunction on an open switchgear. Mechanical damage and getting cold of porcelain isolators, which gradually leads to deterioration of dielectric properties, violation of connection due to poor contact, overloading of electrical equipment. A malfunction of the equipment leads to heating of the light paths and isolators, which can cause an emergency situation. Moreover, it is very important to identify them at an early stage. The purpose of our project is to work out the system visual thermal imaging control of the equipment of an open switchgear in order to identify malfunctions at an early stage.
Our idea is that the robot will move around the territory of an open switchgear and scan the equipment for areas with excessive temperature. In other words, check if the temperature of the controlled node exceeds the temperature of other node under the same condition. First, we need the way our robot to move, because it will work in a field, and we have chosen a robot on a tracked platform for better off-road capability. Measurement of excess temperature on our robot is carried out using an infrared sensor, which is placed on a rotating platform on our robot. The robot constantly keeps statistics of the data received, and if it detects the effect of excessive temperature, it transmits its value in coordinates to the operator. Any technician can look at it and decide if repairs are needed. Also, as a power source, we use a battery, and also we can use an eco-friendly wind generator. There you can also you can also hear some advantages of the visual and thermal imaging control system. And there are also other information about our team and robots.
So why we use the robot? Why we can't put sensor close to this station?
Why we use robot for this?
Yes.
We use
why
this.
The robot is going?
Robot usually.
Why we didn't put sensor close this station and send the temperature?
Why there is no sensor that can? Почему здесь нету сенсора, который не может проверять температуру к этому?
Да, было бы слишком много сенсоров на каждом дисконнекторе, из-за этого бы много тратить денег.
There are a lot of disconnectors, and there are a lot of places where we need to check the temperature, and it will be easier to have a robot to moving around direct roads.
But we can put sensor close the unit to detect the temperature.
As they say,
and send the signal to the
What?
and send the signal of temperature to your.
Unfortunately, we don't have such technology.
Can you test? Just.
Can you show? Can you show us how? Okay, давай. Показывайте. Here we have temperature and coordinates where here, and there is some notification. As I see it, it will be a lot of sensors for every disconnector and transformer. So I think that it will be easier for robot checking it.
Do you visit company for electric?
Yeah, we have visited this open switchgear in our town, and also in another town. Yeah, and we have been walking around here, and we have learned a lot of new information. Also, we have chatted and also have a talk with experts.
All this unit is very high.
Yeah.
For the robot, it's very small.
No, robot is.
Detect the temperature.
Как робот он будет? Как где находится вообще, что надо?
Isolators.
А внизу где-то?
No. Внизу нету.
Внизу нету? Yeah. All this